Welcome back. Now in our previous video, we managed to create a database model which is called a class of an article in the database model, and we created two articles, the title and the content. But this was done through the model of our app. But now I want to create these articles through the Python shell. So on our command prompt, let us stop the server by typing Ctrl+C. Then we're going to type this command, python manage.py shell. This is the Python shell which is going to be used to create our data models. So the first thing we are going to do is to import the class of article model from the base app. So we are going to type this command, from base.models. We are going to import the article class. The article class from base.models, import article. So the article is here, but now we want to create our data models from the base of the model app. So the next thing we're going to do is to say obj for short of objects equals to article. Then the next thing I'm going to specify the article objects now. I'm going to say obj equals to article into brackets, and here I'm going to use the two fields which we have, the title and the content. So the title going to be, let's give it another new name like Django development. That's the title. Then place a comma, and content equals to the blog post. Then close the single quote and close the bracket and press enter. Now that article is created in our Python shell, and we can save it by saying this obj.save. obj.save and press enter. And how do we know that the object is saved in our database? We'll look that in a while. So we can just do this. You can quit the Python shell and see if the database has saved the object title called Django development. So just type quit, and after quitting the shell, let us run now the server. Python manage.py run server. When the server is running, let us reload our Django admin. And what do you see? Now Django development is here, and we just created it through the Python shell. And let us go back to the shell again and create another instance of the model class. So let us Ctrl+C and stop the server. Then let us access the Python shell through this command, python manage.py shell. This was the first title class we've created through the shell. Let us see the second one. So from base.models, we're going to import article, just like that. From base.models, import article. What have I done? Invalid syntax. Board article. Sorry, article. Article is the class of our model. This one here, article, just like that. Press enter. Press enter. Then let us create another object. So obj for short of objects equals to article. Then let us give it an instance of ID, because this one we didn't specify any ID. But for this one, let us say obj1 equals to article into brackets, title equals to AMA software developer. Then the content should be, you can as well put double curly braces, double quotes if you want instead of single quotes. It will still work the same way. So instead of single quotes, let us put double quotes. And content, let us give it a name of I'm a software developer as the title, and content is the my name is Kennedy, and close the two closing quotes and close the bracket and press enter. There's an error here. Oh, we should open it with the two double quotes the way we did it in the first and the last type. Then I press enter. Now we'll save this obj1.save so that it can be saved in the database. Now I want to access each individual instances of the parameters of those titles. So the first thing I'm going to do is say obj1.title. I'm going to say I'm a software developer. Then obj1.content. Typing error. obj1.content is my name is Kennedy. So we can even create another second obj title. So you can say obj2 equals to article dot objects dot create. Now this is a long format, but it will still work. obj2 equals to article dot objects dot create. Title equals to another title, close the single quote, comma, then we are going to say content equals to, this is the second content, close the single quote, close the bracket, press enter. Now let us save it. obj2.save. Now it is saved in our database. So you can access this through the ID now. obj2.id equals to ID of 10, because initially we have created many instances. And what if we say obj1.id? It is the ID of 9. So let us say obj2.title, another title, obj2.content. This is the second content. Now we are done with creating our database models of class articles through the Python shell. So how can we access these items like another title and this is the second content through the database? What we'll do is just quit the Python shell by typing quit, then run our server by typing python manage.py run server. Now back to our admin panel. Let us refresh, and what do you see? Another title is here which we have created before. Another title, this is the second content, and we also have I'm a software developer, my name is Kennedy. So this is how we can access the database through the shell of the Python program. So through the shell Python, you can create your model articles and save them in the database through the shell attribute of obj.save. That's it for today, and I see you guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Peace.